Rulomatik car drying towel vending machine. Single authorized distributorship of Rulomatik car drying towel vending machines will be given to a person that meets the terms and conditions in your country. Rulomatik car drying towel vending machine. You can join our distributorship chain worldwide by placing Rulomatik vending machines at every point where cars are washed in your country and supply car drying towels from us, and you can get continuous profit. We are giving a single authorized distributorship for each country to the one person.